Hey, so now I still didn't complete that little portal thing there, but I'm going to do this. So, the other video I made, I said there's a door. I think I said bat, but hang on a minute. How do you put pets on again? So I think the dog, it's the dog one is the closest. Do I have a pet dog? I don't think I have a pet dog. Doggy? Is it doggy? Really? I don't know his dog. That is weird. It's gotta be a dog. Huh. Doggy! Is that a... I don't know if that's gonna be classed as a dog. I'm just gonna buy one. Dog. Oh my gosh, is that that's a poodle? Where's the dog? Is there a dog? Hello, doggy. Aha! Oh, it's adorable. I'm just gonna keep it like that. That is so cute. No, you stay. Stay. You're gonna be. Hang on. You're gonna be a noisy and you're gonna be a lime. Adorable. Okay, so we have the pet. Okay, so. Oh, he's so cute. I should have made him Halloween. Okay, so I'm gonna go in here. And if I remember correctly, run. Oof, lag. So, it's right here. But I don't know if this gives really good prizes like the bat and the bee. Because if you're a non-member, be a bee. That's just down in the semi-leaf. The bee is in the pumpkin patch, which is straight down. Anyway, so I'm gonna keep doing this. Oh, I should have went to an empty server. That would have helped. Yep, there. Sorry. Oh yes, we really should. Help, please. Pumpkin patch. Oh, see how lagged it is. Good thing I've only got here. I don't know how it's too lagged. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm going to go into an empty server. Oh, did you see that? Okay, so I'm just gonna keep doing this. I'm gonna get. I want a Warn. I want a fox hat, and I want a Warn. I need a pink Warn. Oh, it's still really lagged. Ouch. Why do I keep wanting to go up there? Gosh, this puppy is so cute. Warn. Okay. So yeah. If you don't remember, just go into the pumpkin patch. And be a bee. Get your pet bee on. Then just go. The pumpkin patch is straight in. Like down there. Oh, yeah, there. Go, follow that down. And you'll see a bee door. Just keep doing that. Bee door actually gives lots of good prizes. I'm unsure about this dog one, so that's why I'm trying it today. I've always done the bee. And that's how you get clothing betters. Then you trade your clothing betters for den betters, and then you trade your den betters for spikes if you want to. Or you might just like clothing betters, or you might just like den betters. I don't know if it's betters or betas, but I say betters. It's probably betas, but I don't really care. I don't like saying betas. Yeah. Okay. Run, puppy, run! It's like it walks over it anyway. Will I reload? This is really... Oh my god, okay. I'm just gonna shut this one. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna log out. Log back in. Because I'm really liked. Really liked. Look at this bunny. Oh, he's got a cape on. Look at that. How come this person is everywhere? Empty server. Okay, if this ends up giving me another bunny hat and more scary horns, then I'm gonna go and try the bee. Because I know in the bee door I've won lots of good stuff. This dog one. Oi, look, I can run. Whee! I'm free. How cute is its little tongue sticking out? So cute. Okay. Okay, we got some horn things. So we are getting different prizes now. So let's just keep on going. And if you didn't know, well, I think I told you this in the other video, but the doors where you get candy, where the people have to stand, they respawn, yes? So you can just stay on the same one. Oh, that's so much better. Okay. At least we're not getting repeats. That's a start. You gotta get the trash before the good. Well, I can just skip the good now. I'm ready for the good. Okay, doggy. Show me the wand. Oh! He thinks it's Christmas. That's cool though. Yeah, good. Christmas is coming up. That's good. Ooh. What the heck happened? What did I do? Okay. Let's log back in. That's really cute. Ah! Oh. I don't know why. They must be doing it. Maybe. Come on, doggy! Gosh, this airplane is really low. It's freaking me out. Run, doggy, run! Oh. Well, this is not as bad as that vortex one. That's horrible. Really horrible. Go that way. Gilly duckily. I really want to go to the haunted party. Show me a turkey hat. Okay. This is not going to plan, is it? It's really not going to plan. Whoa! Look at the koala! Really notice these little things. Go. Doodle doo 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 doo. I give up. I'm done. Well, anyway, that was a fail, but that's what you do to get clothing betters. It does work. But I think the B door has a lot more better stuff. I really think. I'm just gonna dress my little doggy up. Then I'm gonna go. I'm actually on break right now, so I thought I'd quickly have a try at that. Oh, that's yuck. Why are they so gross? Ew! Why does the dog have the worst things? What's that? Bag. Camera. A guitar. What in the... These are not very good, is it? Ew. What the... Like, what is this? What does the bag go with? So the bag's there. What's the bag meant to go with? I don't know. But I want a camera. So weird. Oh, the dog really does not have any good outfits. Sorry, doggy. Let's try this thing up. Bonnet. So that's cute. Oh, that's kind of cute too. Like that. What the heck is this? Oh, it's got hair. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's gonna have a little pet chick. Should I do sunglasses? No. I kind of like the hair. I'm gonna do that. Little pet chick. Chicky. Hey. Should I do any magic tricks? Who else is not dressed? The pony's not dressed? I don't... Oh, maybe it is. Oh, it must be, because it's got a... I wouldn't think it would come with a unicorn horn. Oh, some outfits are from Plays Your Pet Party, so don't like get scared thinking some pets are. Oh, okay, that's that. Ooh, what is that? Oh, that's pretty. What bit goes with that? Would it be that? Kind of like the basket. Do that. All right. Anyway, that's it. So yes. That adventure for non-members, be a bee and you get clothing betters. That's about it. Alright? Alright. Ciao!